Cal, BHP UK. Strapped to the dyno today we have BMW's F900. This particular one is the XR. We've got quite a lot of experience with these. We've done the R and we've done the XR that's had the limiters on, the A2 restricted bikes. We can remove all the restrictions from those. It's a Bosch controlled bike. We know that ECU very well. It's a bike that we are familiar with. So we're just going to run it up on the dyno, make sure it's doing what we're expecting it to do, and then we'll write a tune for it and make sure it's fueling running absolutely perfectly. This bike's come to us absolutely stock, so we're just going to give it a tune for the stock hardware that's on the bike. So BMW's lightweight XR, what did we manage to do with this bike? Wide open throttle. We made a modest gain of 4 brake horsepower. We went up from 96 brake horsepower to 100 at the back wheel. We have had on this bike to put a little bit of fueling in at wide open throttle. At 50% we had to add quite a lot of fuel. The bike was running Lambda 1 throughout the rev range. We've dropped that down to about 13.2 now, and you can see that the power delivery is far more linear, it's far smoother. But the really big changes has always come at quarter throttle openings. You can see here that the bike is revving out and delivering power in a really linear manner. It's virtually a straight line all the way up. And from the bottom plot you can see that it's now running at just richer than 13.2 throughout the rev range. The bike is fueling and running that well now. We've removed some restrictions on the throttle and it revs all the way out to 9,000 RPM even with a quarter throttle opening. It really does transform the way that the bike rides on the road. It feels like you're getting a huge amount more power and torque, certainly at lower throttle openings. There's no throttle latency, everything just runs as BMW really intended before they got strangled by Euro emission standards. We really do hope you're enjoying what we're bringing to the channel. Please do hit the like, subscribe and the bell icon. It really does help us out and it keeps you notified of all the progress and the projects that we've got in the pipeline.